Hey everyone, it's Nick from Sure Dividend here, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the best DRIP stocks, so 15 no-fee Dividend Aristocrats. Now, if you don't know what a DRIP is or what a Dividend Aristocrat is, we're going to cover that later on, but before we begin, I just want to invite you to subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on the latest news when it comes to investing in high-quality dividend growth stocks for the long run. So to begin, this video is about DRIP stocks, which are stocks that have a dividend reinvestment plan, or a DRIP. Now, a DRIP is an investment program that allows you to automatically reinvest dividends back into the company that paid them without any further action from you. As an example of this, you could take Coca-Cola. So in this example, Coca-Cola is trading at $40 per share and the company pays a 25-cent per share dividend. You own 1,000 shares, so 1,000 times 25 cents per share means that you receive $250 in total dividends. Coca-Cola's DRIP automatically purchases 6 new shares for you, which brings your total to 1,006. Now, DRIPs allow you to systematically acquire more shares of high-quality dividend-paying companies over time. And this effect is most profoundly seen when it's done with companies that consistently raise their dividends over time because you have 1, more shares over time because of the DRIP, and 2, higher dividend payments over time because the companies are consistently hiking their payout. Because of this, dividend reinvestment plans are especially powerful when combined with the Dividend Aristocrats. The Dividend Aristocrats are a group of high-quality dividend stocks that have the following characteristics. They have to first be in the S&P 500, second, meet certain minimum size and liquidity requirements, and third, have 25 years or more of consecutive dividend increases. Now, it's that last requirement that is especially powerful because it takes a strong and durable competitive advantage to increase the company's dividend each year for more than 2 decades in a row. And because of this exclusivity, there are just 53 Dividend Aristocrats right now. Throughout the remainder of this video, I'm going to explain to you a quick business overview of 15 different Dividend Aristocrats that offer DRIP programs with no fees. The first is Aflac. Aflac is an insurance company with operations in the United States and Japan. The company was founded all the way back in 1955 and currently trades with a market cap of about $35 billion. Now, Aflac has increased its dividend for 34 consecutive years, and we believe the company is highly likely to continue doing that in the future because of its repeatable business model and the overall simplicity of the insurance industry. Insurance is one of the oldest sectors of the stock market, so we believe that Aflac's business model is really repeatable for the next few decades, and we could see the company continuing to hike its payout for the foreseeable future. The second no-fee DRIP Dividend Aristocrat is AbbVie. Now, AbbVie is a research-focused biopharmaceutical company that was spun off from Abbott Labs back in 2013. The company is included among the Dividend Aristocrats largely due to Abbott Labs' dividend history, but since the spinoff, AbbVie has become known for consistently hiking its dividend payout each year. AbbVie, from a business perspective, is most well known for its flagship drug Humira, which is the highest grossing drug in the world and contributes about 60% of the company's total revenue. AbbVie currently trades on the New York Stock Exchange with a market cap of about $190 billion. The third no-fee DRIP Dividend Aristocrat that I'm going to talk about today is Abbott Laboratories. Abbott is a diversified healthcare corporation that's headquartered in Lake Bluff, Illinois. The company operates in 4 main segments: nutritional products, branded generic pharmaceuticals, diagnostics, and medical devices. Abbott has increased its dividend for 45 years in a row and currently trades with a market cap of about $104 billion. The fourth no-fee DRIP Dividend Aristocrat that I'm going to talk about today is Emerson Electric. And Emerson Electric is a global industrial manufacturer with 2 main operating segments: automation solutions and commercial and residential solutions. The company has increased its dividend for 60 years in a row and trades with a market capitalization of about $47 billion. Since Emerson Electric has increased its dividend for so long, it's not just a Dividend Aristocrat. It's also a member of an even more exclusive group of dividend stocks called the Dividend Kings, and those are companies that have increased their dividends for 50 plus years in a row. The next no-fee DRIP Dividend Aristocrat that I'm going to talk about today is Federal Realty Investment Trust. Now, this company is a real estate investment trust, which means there's some tax benefits to investing in it, and it primarily owns shopping centers. The trust has a smaller presence in retail, apartments, and condominiums, but the company's main focus is in shopping centers. Federal Realty has increased its dividend for 50 consecutive years and trades with a market cap of about $8 billion, which makes it one of the smaller Dividend Aristocrats. And you'll note that since the company has 50 years of consecutive dividend increases, it's also a member of the Dividend Kings, not just the Dividend Aristocrats. The sixth no-fee DRIP Dividend Aristocrat that I'm going to talk about is Hormel Foods Corporation. And this is a manufacturer of branded foods, things like Spam, things like Skippy Peanut Butter, and Jennie-O Turkey. Hormel's main focus is on meat, packaged meat, but the company has made efforts to diversify away from packaged meat over time. Hormel has increased its dividend for 52 consecutive years and trades with a market capitalization of about $17 billion. The next no-fee drip dividend aristocrat I'm going to talk about is Ecolab. Ecolab develops and distributes chemicals and services for cleaning, pest control, sanitizing, and maintenance. The company's customers include businesses and consumers in sectors like food service, food and beverage, healthcare, government, education, and retail. Ecolab has increased its dividend for 32 consecutive years and trades with a market capitalization of about $37 billion. Next up is Exxon Mobil. Exxon Mobil is the world's largest integrated energy company. The company can trace its roots back to Rockefeller Standard Oil and is currently one of just 2 dividend aristocrats in the energy sector, with the other being Chevron Corporation. Exxon has increased its dividend for 35 consecutive years and trades with a market capitalization of about $317 billion, which makes it one of the biggest dividend aristocrats. Next up is Genuine Parts Company. Genuine Parts is a retailer of automotive parts, supplies, and other industrial goods. The company is most well known for its flagship business, Napa Auto Parts. Genuine Parts has increased its dividend for 61 consecutive years and currently trades with a market capitalization of about $13 billion. The next no-fee drip dividend aristocrat that I'm going to talk to you about is Illinois Tool Works. This is a company that manufactures tools and other industrial goods and supplies. The company is extremely diversified and currently has 28 operating segments. Illinois Tool Works has increased its dividend for 54 consecutive years and currently trades with a market capitalization of about $54 billion. The company is a dividend king as well as a dividend aristocrat. Next up is Johnson & Johnson. And for most dividend growth investors, this company needs no introduction. It's one of the most stable businesses around. Johnson & Johnson is a diversified healthcare conglomerate whose diversification is unparalleled in the healthcare industry. Johnson & Johnson has more than 250 subsidiary companies and has these tendrils that kind of extend into every little subsector of the healthcare industry. Johnson & Johnson has increased its annual dividend for 55 years in a row and currently trades with a market capitalization of $344 billion. Next up is 3M Company. Now this is a no-fee drip dividend aristocrat that operates as a diversified manufacturer and technology company with operations in more than 70 countries. The company creates products and supplies for a wide range of customers in industries like healthcare, industrials, energy, and technology. 3M has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years and currently trades with a market cap of about $156 billion. 3M has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years and currently trades with a market cap of about $136 billion. The next no-fee drip dividend aristocrat is Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin-Williams is one of the world's largest paints and coatings companies. Its only domestic competitor of similar size is fellow dividend aristocrat PPG Industries. The company has increased its annual dividend for 39 years in a row and currently trades with a market capitalization of about $37 billion. Next up is S&P Global. And the S&P brand name is so powerful that most investors will already be familiar with this name. But what a lot of people don't know is that this company holds appeal from an investment perspective as well. S&P Global used to be called McGraw-Hill Financial and is currently a global provider of financial and business information. The company is well known for its flagship Standard & Poor's business, which maintains the popular S&P 500 index and also provides credit ratings for publicly traded debt instruments. S&P Global has increased its dividend each year for 44 years and currently trades with a market cap of about $48 billion. The last no-fee drip dividend aristocrat that I'm going to talk about is Nucor. Nucor is the largest steel producer in the United States. The company was founded by the same man who created the Oldsmobile automobile and currently operates in 3 segments: steel mills, steel products, and raw materials. Nucor has increased its dividend for 44 consecutive years and currently trades with a market capitalization of about $21 billion. That wraps up our discussion of no-fee drip dividend aristocrats for today. I wanted to thank you for watching through to the end, and I'm going to close up by giving you 3 pieces of homework. The first is to email me a video recommendation at nick@suredividend.com. The second is to like this video and leave us a comment telling us what you thought of it. And the third is to subscribe to our channel, Sure Dividend, if you want to learn more about investing in high-quality dividend growth stocks for the long run. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.